Exploring the phrase, no rep. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the phrase, no representative. Ever heard of it? Whether you have or haven't, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. The phrase, no rep, is short for no repetition, or not a valid repetition. It's primarily used in the fitness world, especially in CrossFit or weightlifting contexts. When someone says, no rep, during a workout, they're indicating that a particular repetition of an exercise was not performed correctly and therefore, doesn't count. For example, imagine someone is doing push-ups, and they don't go down far enough. A trainer or judge might call out, no representative. This means that the push-up was not done to the required standard and needs to be redone for it to count. While no rep is closely associated with the fitness realm, it's also seeped into everyday language as a more casual or humorous way to disapprove or disagree with something. For instance, if someone tries to tell a joke that doesn't land well, a friend might jokingly say, no representative, implying that the joke didn't meet the standards. To solidify your understanding, here are a few examples of how you might encounter or use no rep in conversation. 1. In a gym setting. 2. If you don't squat deep enough, it's a no representative. 3. I did 10 pull-ups, but 2 of them were no reps because my chin didn't go above the bar. 4. In casual conversation. 5. You forgot the marshmallows in the hot chocolate? No representative. 6. He tried to convince us with that argument? No representative on that one. And there we have it. Now you know what no rep means, where it comes from, and how to use it. Whether you're hitting the gym or just chatting with friends, you're now equipped with this fun and useful phrase. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep learning, and see you in the next one.